Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make mutton dum biryani. First of all, we ordered mutton from Licious for fresh and good meat. These are all the ingredients to make mutton dum biryani. This is half kg mutton. Clean with turmeric and salt and keep aside. 4 cups of basmati rice. These are the ingredients to marinate the mutton in refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. I will show you one by one. Coriander powder, green chilies, Everest mutton masala, ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 bay leaves, salt, Ajinomoto. If you don't have, you can skip it. Red chili powder, turmeric, lemon juice, oil, ghee, mint leaves, coriander leaves, curd, and garam masala. I will add these ingredients one by one. And these are 2 to 3 big onions. You need to fry till nice golden color like this. Now I am adding these ingredients. Everest mutton masala, ginger garlic paste, bay leaves, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 by 4 teaspoon Ajinomoto, 1 lemon juice, half teaspoon turmeric, 2.5 teaspoon red chili powder, oil, half cup, 1 by 4 tea glass ghee. This is homemade ghee. This is the main ingredient for this biryani. I have made this by using cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, bay, biryani flour, pepper along with dhania powder. You need to grind. 1 cup curd, green chilies, coriander powder, mint leaves, coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients very well. To make garam masala, you can take 2 to 3 spices of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, biryani flour, pepper, and coriander powder. You need to grind it into powder. You need to mix very well. Here I am adding half fried onions. Rest I will use for biryani garnish. Mix all the ingredients again. You need to marinate this mutton in fridge for 2 to 3 hours. How much you marinate the mutton, that much tasty the biryani you will get. I mixed all the ingredients well. Now I am going to keep this in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, this is how it will be. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt as it is less. Take this type of handi. If you don't have, you can use thick aluminium ball, rice ball. Make sure that bottom should be thick. I have took 12 glasses of water for 4 cups of basmati rice. And also added all spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, biryani flour, bay leaf, sajira, and also added 3 teaspoon of salt. Keep the lid and cook for 15 minutes. I have already soaked the rice for half an hour in water before I start biryani and drain the water. Prepare this type of chapati dough. You can use maida or wheat flour to cover around the lid. This is turmeric milk. Instead of yellow food color, I am using this. Now water started boiling. Reduce the flame and add rice slowly. This is the main ingredient step. You need to cook the rice only 70%, not completely. Just cook for only 70%. Keep the lid. After 15 minutes, we will see. After 15 minutes, the rice will be like this. We need to drain the water from rice. Keep this drained water aside as we need to use during biryani process. Take handi again. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread the oil like this at the bottom and also around the sides. Now add rice. Spread like this. Next, mutton. Again rice. You need to do like this. To spread the rice like this. Now I am adding drained water. It is mandatory. Why? Because mutton will be little bit hard than chicken. For chicken it is not necessary. Here I am adding 2.5 glass of water so that mutton will cook very soft. Now I am adding turmeric milk. Mint leaves. Coriander leaves. Fried onions. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee at the top and also around the sides. It gives a nice flavor to the biryani. Cover with the lid. Apply chapati dough like this around the lid. You need to cover like this with the dough. Cook for 1 hour with low flame. Only after half an hour increase the flame to medium or for only 10 minutes. Rest you need to cook with low flame. We will see after 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's see how the biryani is. You need to remove this dough. It will be very hot, be careful. Now I am opening the lid. Let's see. Now I am taking into the plate. Nice smell is coming out. Yummy mutton biryani is ready. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my video.